What's up, online shoppers? I am sick and tired of having flies as the uninvited house guests at all of my outside gatherings, and so I picked up some of these because we were going to have an outdoor party for my son for graduation on our back porch, and I wanted to make sure the flies were nowhere around. So let's open these up and see what they're like, and I hope they are going to be everything I asked them to be. In this package, you actually get 4 fans, and what I liked about them is they have this really funky base and a really funky support post here. So this actually, I can adjust and direct in a certain direction, which I thought was really cool. I just really like the look of them. They have a really neat little power button here on the base, and they are powered underneath here by 2 AA batteries. So we're just going to open this up, really nice and easy. You have to provide your own batteries. So I'll just stick this in here like that and like this. Something else that's cool about these is that there is a little hook on the bottom. So you can actually hang this from the ceiling. As soon as I get this in, I'll show you. Look at this. There is a little hook that's on the bottom. So you can hang it from the roof of your tent or your gazebo or the dugout where you're using these, depending on where you have them. And it's right there. Now they have these soft blades that have a holographic material on them. It does look really cool, but at the same time, they're soft, so they aren't going to hurt you if they run into you. That makes this really cool to use around kids or dogs and cats, pets. They're not going to get hurt. Let's turn it on and see what it looks like. Aha. Now there is the fan from the top view. And here it is like this. We can actually direct it if we want to and bend it. So it's got a bit of a direction to it. Now you're not getting a whole lot of wind from it. So you definitely wouldn't use these for cooling off, but you could see how you could put these over top of the food and set a parameter. See this? It doesn't hurt if you hit it. And then it just starts going again. You could use these to set up a perimeter around the food and just put them up around, and they'd act like a shield to keep the flies off the food. I like that I can change the base and bend them around. Even with the batteries in, weigh less than a pound each. You could even pack them and there's not going to be a lot of heaviness to carry around. I really like these. So you get 4 fans and 4 of the blades and 4 of the bases. And you're supposed to get really long time of runtime from these because they don't use a lot of battery at all. These are quiet, they can hang from a ceiling, they can sit on a table, they're easy to assemble and disassemble. They just use 2 AA batteries, which I think is awesome. I think these are definitely going to do the trick, and I think they're definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.